अपना स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 चल रहा है। आपस में चर्चा मत कर लीजिए डियर फ्रेंड्स, और डोंट टॉक टू ईच अदर। अभी अपने आप को खुद को चेक करना है। यू हैव टू चेक योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन यू कैनॉट टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स, you cannot make a call, and you even cannot talk to the person who is sitting your side, maybe in front of or behind. So you yourself honestly have to check which part is an error, which part is correct, A, B, or C. And sometimes if there is no error, then you have to click the part D. आपस में चर्चा करेंगे तो फिर अपने आप को चेक कैसे करेंगे? ऑनेस्टली प्लीज डू दिस। और जब हम ऐसा करेंगे ऑनेस्टली, तो फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि हम कहाँ वीक है, हमें और कहाँ जोर देना चाहिए। इसके ऊपर अपन चर्चा भी कर सकते हैं। क्या हमें लगता है कि भाई हम वीक है, उसके ऊपर हम और जोर देंगे। वी विल पे अटेंशन टू द पार्ट वेयर वी आर वीक। Statement number 3. Recently, I visited Kashmir and found the sceneries to be marvelous. No error. Part B is wrong. Very good. यहाँ पे लिखा है here is written that sceneries, ये CNERIS, तो वहाँ सीनरी चाहिए यस नहीं, यह CNER, यह CNERY सीनरी, यह CNERY सीनरी चाहिए। it there should be only scenery, no sceneries, only scenery. So part B is part B error part. So come on guys, आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर। आज आपको मजा आएगा। नंबर 4, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 4। स्टेटमेंट नंबर 4, जब जो स्टेटमेंट चल रहा है उसी के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए। आप आगे मत बढ़िए और पीछे भी मत रहो, क्योंकि जो स्टेटमेंट चल रहा है उसके ऊपर अगर हम ध्यान देंगे तो हमारा अटेंशन जो है बिल्कुल कंसंट्रेट होगा, और कौन सा करेक्ट है और हमारी गलती कहाँ हुई है ये हमें समझ में आएगा। we will get to know where we are wrong at, or what we have to do next. These are the things we can do. So the statement number 4, अरेबियन नाइट्स, काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है। आई एम गेटिंग वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स। लेकिन डोंट बी इम्पेशेंट, ज़्यादा एक्साइट मत हो जाना माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। एक्साइटमेंट में क्या होता है, हमारी गलती हो सकती है। वी कैन मेक मिस्टेक इन आवर एक्साइटमेंट, सो बी पेशेंट प्लीज। Statement number 4, Arabian Nights are a collection of Arabian Nights are a collection of very interesting episodes of adventure. No error. Arabian Nights are a collection of very interesting episode of adventure. No error. नंबर 4 स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं। नंबर 4 का आज काफी लोग एक्टिव हो रहे हैं। पढ़ाई अच्छी हो गई शायद। गुड गुड। आप हो या अच्छी, अगर गलती भी होती है तो परेशान मत हो जाना, लेकिन जहाँ कहीं गलती होती है वहाँ हमें सुधारना, ये ध्यान में रखना। Where we are doing our wrong, where we are at mistake, please we have to develop it, we have to correct it. Good. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 4 की बात चल रही है। So my dear friends, part A is wrong. Part A is wrong, क्योंकि Arabian Nights is a book where interesting episodes are collected. Arabian Nights is a collection. It is a collection. It is a collection. Arabian Nights is a collection of. So part A. Arabian Nights are not many volumes. In one collection, many interesting episodes are collected. Arabian Nights is a collection of. So Arabian Nights is part A is an error part. Very good. जल्दबाजी मत कीजिए मेरे भाइयों. Come on. Next statement number 5. Statement number 5 क्या कहता है? वो हमारी कैसी टेस्ट लेता है देखते हैं. चलो come on. It is going to test us. These kinds of shirts. These kinds of shirts. These kind of shirts are rather expensive for him to buy. No error. Part A है these kind of shirt इसके ऊपर आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Then are rather expensive for him to buy. No error. So pay attention to the part 1. If you find any mistake here in part A, वो कौन सी हो सकती है वो देख लीजिए. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 5 चल रहा है. गुड. हाँ, गुड. काइंड्स, कम ऑन, वेरी गुड. कौन है ये? पार्थ. दीज काइंड्स, दीज है प्लूरल फॉर्म है ये, इसलिए इसके यहाँ पे काइंड्स ऑफ शर्ट्स, many kinds of shirts are there. Kinds of shirt. So kind should be replaced by kinds. Kind, this word should be replaced by kinds. Part A is an error part. Very good. चलो भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं. पीछे भी मत रहो, आगे मत दौड़ो, गलती हो जाएगी. Come on. Statement number 6. Statement number 6. दिमाग लगाओ. He is not one of those. He is not one of those A who will help everybody whom he meets. No error. Whom he meets. No error. Now he is not one of those who will help everybody whom he meets. He is not one of those who will help everybody whom he meets. No, actually those shifted here. They meets, they meet. पार्ट सी, इसके ऊपर ध्यान दो. पार्ट सी के ऊपर ध्यान दो. ये ऐसे कंफ्यूज करने वाले स्टेटमेंट आते हैं मेरे डियर फ्रेंड्स. लगते तो बहुत आसान है. एट फर्स्ट they seem to be very simple, but as we try very carefully, only then we come to notice that which part of this four is an error part. बराबर है. यहाँ पे whom he meets नहीं होना चाहिए. whom they meet. So C part is an error part. C part is an error part. So this he meets should be replaced by they meet. They stand for those here. Good. काफी अच्छा, सही, गुड, वेरी गुड. अच्छा रिजल्ट आ रहा है. काफी बच्चे लोग अच्छी तरह से ट्राई कर रहे हैं. गुड. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 7 की ओर बढ़ते हैं. कम ऑन, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज 7th one. कम ऑन गाइस. बच्चे लोग आज जरा काफी खुश नजर आ रहे हैं. क्या बात है. गुड. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 7. Our is the only country. यहाँ पे पॉजेसिव है. Our is the only country in the world that can boast of unity in diversity. No error. Part A, our is the only country. ये जरा हॉटस्पॉट दिख रहा है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यार ध्यान दीजिए. कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन पार्ट ए. Our is the only country then in the world that can boast of unity and diversity and no error. देख लीजिए. Yes, part A is right. Ours is the only country. This hour should be replaced by hours. Hours. Good. Most of the students are doing very well. Very nice. बच्चे काफी लीड कर रहे हैं आज. Good. Now come on. Statement number 8. 8 की तरफ पढ़ते हैं. Was it him? Was it him? Was it him? ऐसा नहीं होता. Was it him who got injured in an accident? No error. Was it? देखो यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए. Part A is error. Good. Was it he who got injured in an accident? No error. Yes. Very good. Pankaj, very good. Was it he आना चाहिए बच्चों यहाँ पे. This him should be replaced by he. Now, नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. मेरे पास से ये स्कोर आ रहा है बच्चों का. बढ़िया स्कोर है. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. और बाकी लोग भी अच्छा ट्राई कर रहे हैं. अभी समझ में आ रहा है इन बच्चों कि ये जो स्टेटमेंट्स है दे सीम टू बी वेरी सिंपल, लेकिन हमारे दिमाग, हमारी स्टडी और हमारे ज्ञान को अच्छी तरह से चेक करते. दीज आर द स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रूली check our knowledge, information, our study, our skill in English and in grammar especially. Good. Next. Ninth one. Mr. Sharma, our representative. Mr. Sharma, our representative, he will attend the meeting on our behalf. No error. देखो इसमें गलती कहीं भी नजर नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन फिर भी ये जो है इसमें एक शब्द अननेसेसरी है. ऑलरेडी मिस्टर शर्मा विल अटेंड द मीटिंग. मिस्टर शर्मा के बारे में कहा कि आवर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. सो मिस्टर शर्मा आवर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव विल अटेंड द मीटिंग. So he should be deleted. In part B, he should be deleted. He. Mr. Sharma, our representative, फिर कॉमा है, will attend the meeting on our behalf. अगर ये स्टेटमेंट यहाँ से शुरू होता तो फिर ये जरूर होता, लेकिन ऑलरेडी द स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम मिस्टर शर्मा, फिर यहाँ कॉमा है. सो ये थोड़ा अननेसेसरी लग रहा है. बाकी गलती तो नहीं है इसमें कोई. None of the other mistake is there in this statement. Come on. Mr. Sharma, our representative, will attend the meeting on our behalf. No error. Good. Nice. So, चलो आगे बढ़ते बच्चों. Statement number 10. Statement number 10. पढ़ो. आप पढ़ो. They did not go to attend the marriage of their neighbor's daughter. Didn't they? No error. लगाओ. आप दिमाग लगाओ. अरे क्या जबरदस्त. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. गुड 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 गुड. मेरे पास अभी वर्ड्स नहीं. आई डोंट हैव वर्ड. सभी के सभी बराबर है, क्योंकि पार्ट सी में डिडंट है. अगर स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव और अफर्मेटिव है तो टैग नेगेटिव होता है. नाउ दे डिड नॉट गो टू अटेंड द मैरिज ऑफ देयर नेबर्स डॉटर. So this statement is negative. and that's why the tag should be affirmative or positive. So ये tag negative आया है. So didn't they should be did they. Good. Part C is wrong. Almost all the students are right. ऐसा ही अपना स्टडी का जो टेम्पो है कंटिन्यू रखो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. डोंट मेक हेस्ट. जल्दबाजी में गलती हो सकती है. वी कैन मेक मिस्टेक इन आवर हेस्ट. नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी. ये जो अपना कंसंट्रेशन है स्टेटमेंट पर का उस पे से नजर मत हटने दो. नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी. बिलेट बट डोंट बिलेट. कम ऑन. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 11 की बात करते हैं. neither of the two brothers has got their money back from the agency. ये दोनों के दोनों नहीं है. ये ध्यान में रखो. neither of the two brothers has got. part B हॉटस्पॉट है. ध्यान दो. neither of the two brothers. पार्ट ये करेक्ट है. पार्ट ये इज करेक्ट. मैं आपको हेल्प कर रहा हूं. has got their money back from the agency, no error. So dear friends, let me hold your attention here. None of the two brothers, दोनों भाइयों में से एक भी यानी किसी भी एक आता है has got his money back. So there should be replaced by his. Very good. Yes. Part B is wrong. तो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's proceed. Good. Now statement number 12 की तरफ चलते हैं. Come on. थोड़ा ऊपर ले लेता हूँ उसको. Let me take it a little bit up. Statement number 12. पढ़ लो. Read it carefully. The venue of examination is 1 mile further up the hill. No error. Venue of the examination. Venue of the examination or venue for the examination. Venue for the examination. Venue for the examination. Venue for the examination. Part A. Venue for the examination is 1 mile further up the hill. No error. Next, 13. We have 10 minutes in our hands. I found it difficult. Statement number 13. Now let us come on to the next statement. That is, I found it difficult to remove the chewing gum that stuck with my cap. That stuck with my cap. I found it difficult to remove the chewing gum that with my cap. No error. So part A, part B, and part C. I found it difficult to remove the chewing gum that stuck with my cap. That stuck to my cap. The chewing gum that stuck to my cap. The chewing gum that stuck to my cap. C. Good. C. गुड, काफी सारे बच्चों के स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट आ रहे हैं. ऐसा एग्जाम में अच्छा लिखना. डोंट ब्रेक योर स्टडी लिंक. नाउ स्टेटमेंट नंबर 14. Statement number 14. He is in the habit of going out. He is in the habit of going out on a morning. On a morning walk. For a morning walk. For a morning walk regularly. No error. For a morning. On a morning walk. For a morning walk. He is in the habit of going out for a morning walk. B statement. Good. Number next. That is 15. 15 देखिए. Because of his innocence, he cannot distinguish a cheat for an honest person. A cheat from an honest person. See, 15. Because of his innocence, he cannot distinguish a cheat from an honest person. C. Then statement number 16. Statement number 16. They walked beside each other. There should be beside each other in silence. So B part is wrong here. They walked beside each other in silence. No error. Beside. So this beside should be replaced by beside. B part is an error part. B part is an error part. Now next, Padlo statement. I was shocked to hear that his father died in an accident. His father died in an accident. Hotspot hai. Come on here. Take लीजिए. Look at here. I was shocked to hear that his father died of an accident. Died in an accident. C part is an error part. C part is an error part. Next. My brother, read the statement. My brother has ordered a new book. My brother has ordered a new book. For is unnecessary. For is unnecessary. So my brother has ordered a new book. Part B is an error part. आगे का स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लीजिए. Read it carefully. Statement. Most of the girls are doing their post-graduation so that because they may get good husbands. Most of the girls are doing, so girls and husbands, correct. Most of the girls are doing their post-graduation so that, intention. Most of the girls are doing their post guidance so that they may get good husbands. Part B. Part B is an error part. चलो बच्चों आगे का स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लो अच्छी तरह से. Come on, read carefully the next one. That is 20. such was his pronunciation, as I could not understand him. No error. Such was his pronunciation, and that pronunciation I could not understand him. Such was his pronunciation that I could not understand him. That. B part. That. As should be replaced by that. Read the next statement. He has no chance. He has no chance. He has no chance than to start his own business. No error. Come on, try yourself. He has no chance than to start his own business. No error. So then should be replaced by but. He has no chance but to start his own business. यानी उसका खुद का बिजनेस शुरू करने के सिवा उसको कोई चांस नहीं था. But to start. शुरू करने के सिवा. But to start. B part is wrong part. B part is an error part. Next, पढ़ लीजिए. Dear friends, we have not more than 2 minutes in our hands. Let's see. Next statement. My book has been missing. My book has been missing from my room till yesterday. Till yesterday. No error. Come on. This is hotspot. Instead of till, there should be since yesterday. My book has been missing from my room since yesterday. C part is an error part. C part is an error part. और एक देख लेते हैं. Come on. Let's see one more. We are going. We have less than 1 minute now. Let us see the statement number 23. 23. Don't make haste. Because of haste, we can commit mistake. The reason for his failure is because he did not work hard. No error. 23. The reason for his failure is, delete this because, instead of because we have to use that. The reason for his failure is that. B part is an error part. The reason for his failure is that he did not work hard. No error.